Now let's come to the question number 9. And question number 9 was, show that the points, first one is 3 0 and the second one is 6 4 and third one is minus 1 3, are the vertices of a right angle isosceles triangle. Right angle and isosceles triangle. First we have to know that what is right angle and isosceles triangle. It means it is a right angle triangle. From three sides, two sides are equal. It's called right angle isosceles triangle. Now we have to show that the points A30, B64 and 3 minus C minus 1 3 are the vertices of right angle isosceles triangle. Then we can do similar as question number 8. First we have to find out the distance between AB, BC and CA and square them. Again square them. Suppose AB square निकल लिया, BC square निकल लिया and CA square निकल लिया. From these three, sum of any two equal to the third. Sum of any two equal to the third. It means ABC will be a right angle triangle. That's why we will AB equal to. We shall use distance formula. It will be x2 minus x1, x2 minus x1, 6 minus 3 whole square, 4 minus 0, y2 minus y1 whole square. 6 minus 3 will be 3 square and 4 minus 0 will be 4 square. And 3 square will be 9, 4 square will be 16 and 9 plus 16 will be 25 and the final value will be 5. AB square equal to 25. Okay, let's find out the BC. BC equal to how much? x2 minus x1 minus 1 minus 6 whole square, y2 minus y1, 3 minus 4, and minus 1 minus 6 will be minus 7 whole square, 3 minus 4 will be minus 1 whole square, minus square will be plus, 7 square will be 49 and minus 1 square will be plus 1 and 49 plus 1 will be 50. Therefore, BC square equal to, since left side is square and the root over will be vanished and 50 comes. Again we shall find out CA or AC. Again we shall use distance formula. x2 minus x1 minus 1 minus 3 whole square, y2 minus y1, 3 minus 0 whole square, minus 1 minus 3 will be minus 4 whole square, 3 minus 0 will be 3 square, minus square will be plus, 16 plus 9 will be 25 and it will be 5. Therefore, CA equal to CA square will be 25. Now, we shall prove that any of two from AB square, BC square and AC square, sum of any two will be third one. Let's see here, 25 plus 25 will be 50. Solved. Now, AB square plus CA square equal to 25 plus 25 equal to 50. 50 means BC square. Since it follows the Pythagoras theorem, that's why ABC is a right angle triangle. Since triangle ABC follows Pythagoras theorem, therefore ABC is a right angle triangle. And we have to prove also isosceles. Again, since AB equal to AC here, therefore again AB equal to AC here, therefore ABC become isosceles right angle triangle. ये बिल्कुल आसान था, तो हमें ऐसे क्वेश्चन सॉल्व करना पड़ेगा. Let's come to the question number 10. What point on x-axis is equidistant from 7, 6 and minus 3, 4? 7, 6 and minus 3, 4. हमें क्या करना है, x एक्सिस पे एक पॉइंट है जो है x0. We already know that any kind of point on x-axis will be the form of x0. That's why we suppose ax0 will be on the x-axis. And another condition is given that 2 points are given that are equidistant from this point. और एक कंडीशन दिया गया है कि b7, 6 and c-3, 4 is equidistant from this point. Since equidistance means what? Equal distance. Suppose here is a point 7, 6, that one is b, and another point is here, and a point is equidistant. These 2 points are equidistant from a. It means AB equal to AC. This means AB equal to AC. Since we shall write, since AX0 is equidistant from A7, 6 and C-3, 4, therefore we can write like that, AB equal to AC implies. Since we shall use here, since we have to find out the value of x, and from AB we shall use the distance formula, and one root over will come. To vanish root over, we can take square here, squaring both sides. It means now comes x2 minus x1, y2 minus 1, y1, like that. Let's see. From AB means A and B, x2 minus x1, 7, root over already gone, 7 minus x whole square, x2 minus x1, y2 minus y1, 7 minus 6, oh sorry, 6 minus 0 whole square. And AC means x2 minus x1 here, and y2 minus 4 minus 0 whole square. Let's square here. 7 square minus 2 into 7 into x plus x square. A minus b whole square formula, and 6 minus 0 square will be 6 square. Since both are negative, we can take as the positive, since when we take the common as minus, and minus will be plus. That's why 3 square a square plus 2 into 3 into x plus x square, a plus b whole square formula, and 4 minus 0 will be 4 square. From these two sides, we shall cancel the equal parts. X square and x square will be cancelled, and 7 square will be 49, and 7 to the 14x, it will be 36, and 3 square will be 9, 3 to the 6x plus 16. Okay, now we shall find out the value of x. 49 plus 36, how much? That's a 5, 7, 8 minus 14x, and 6x plus 25, and 85 minus 25, 6x plus 14x, 0 and 6 and 20x, and the finally value of x equal to 60 by 20 equal to 3. This is the value of x. We already find out. Now let's come to the question number 11, and question number 11 was the points 2, 1 and 1 minus 2 are equidistant from the point xy. Show that x plus 3y equal to 0. Here there are 3 points given, 2, 1 and 1 minus 2, and 1 is xy. Here told P and Q points are equidistant from A. So that's why we can write PA equal to QA. And the PA and QA is squaring both sides. Since root over will come, that's why we are taking square both sides. And the PA, we shall use the distance formula. Distance formula from P to A, PA. Here we shall use x2 minus x1. Here x2 minus x1, x minus 2 whole square, y2 minus y1 will be y minus 1 whole square. And the right side, QA. Q here x2 minus x1 whole square. It means x minus 1 whole square and y minus. Again minus, 2 times minus will be plus, y minus minus 2 will be plus. That's why y plus 2 whole square. And break the square. A minus b whole square, a square minus 2ab plus b square. When we solve this one, then we shall get x square minus 4x plus 4. And y minus whole square is a simple thing. A square minus 2ab plus b square. We shall get this. We shall get this one. And x minus 1 whole square also this one. And y plus 2 whole square this one. Okay. Now, from these two sides and left hand side and right hand side, we shall cancel the equal parts. X square and x square cancel. Y square and y square cancel. And 4 equal 4 cancel and 1 also cancel. And remaining parts are minus 4x minus twice y. Now हम क्या करेंगे, x वेरिएबल वाला नंबर सेम जगह पर रखेंगे, माइनस 4x माइनस ट्वाइस एक्स, इस तरफ लाएंगे तो प्लस हो जाएगा, प्लस ट्वाइस एक्स एंड माइनस ट्वाइस वाई एंड प्लस 4y at the right side and in the left side will be minus 4y. Minus 4y. Now minus 4x plus twice x, then it will be minus twice x and minus 2y minus 4y will be minus 6y. Divide now. Let's see, both are even number. Divide both sides by minus 2. Divide both sides by minus 2. And this is the solution. We needed the solution. X plus y will be, we needed this one, x plus 3y equal to 0. That's why we get x plus 3y equal to 0. This is the solution. Okay, next, let's come to the next. Let's come to the question number 12. And question number 12 was, if the distance of the point xy from the point a0 is a plus x, show that y square equal to 4ax. हमें प्रूव क्या करना है, y square equal to 4ax, इसे हमें प्रूव करना है. और what was given, the distance of the point pxy from the point qa0 is equal to a plus x. PQ represent distance here and PQ is equal to a plus x. Now squaring both sides, PQ equal to a plus x and squaring. Now PQ means x2 minus x1, x2 minus x1, a minus x whole square plus 0 minus y whole square equal to a plus x whole square means a square plus 2 into a into x plus x square, and again this side a minus x whole square, a square minus 2ax plus x square plus minus y whole square, a square plus 2ax plus x square. Let's consider out equal parts of the sides. A square, x square will be cancelled, and remaining parts are minus 2ax minus square will be plus and 2ax let's see, keep y square at the left side and minus 2x at right side. Here minus and the plus will come at the right side. Two ax plus 2ax will be 4x. Solved. Y square equal to 4x needed. We already got the equation. Now solved. Let's come to the next question. Let's come to the question number 13. And question number 13 was, if the point AXY be equidistant from O00 and B32, show that 6x plus 4y equal to 13. हमें क्या करना है, प्रूव करना है कि 6x plus 4y equal to 13 and the given points O00 and B32 are equidistant. equidistant from AXY. Suppose point A is here and O is here and B is here. Then equidistance from A means, suppose OA equal to 5 cm and AB equal to 5 cm. It's equal distance. That's why it's called equidistance. From okay, now since the point O00 and B32 are equidistant from XY, that's why we can write OA equal to AB or BA. Always written. And after writing this one, these are the distance formula between 2 points. And in any kind of distance formula, root over always comes. That's why to remove root over, we put the square both sides. That's why squaring both sides. After that, OA, use the distance formula. OA, point O and A. Distance formula x2 minus x1, x2 minus x1, x minus 0 whole square, y2 minus y1, y minus 0 whole square, and B and point A, x2 minus x1 will be x minus 3 whole square and y minus 2 whole square. Now x minus 0 will be x and y minus 0 will be y square, and x minus 3, a minus b whole square formula, x square minus 2 into x into 3 plus 3 square, again y square minus 2 into y into 2 plus 2 square. Let's cancel out the equal terms from equal sides. X square will be cancelled with x square and y square cancel with y square, and left side becomes 0, and 2 3s are 6, 3 square will be 9, and 2 2s are 4, and 2 square equal to 4. Now we have to prove that 6x plus 4y equal to 13. That's why minus 6x will be positive in the left side and minus 4y also positive in the left side, and right side become 9 plus 4 will be 13, and the question solved. The question number 13 over.